I really like that red box setup. You know, wait for it to break though. 13.45 or whatever that is right there. Don't get in now. Oh, excuse me. Missing heartbeat, server disconnect. Get that alert because you have to go and click it manually before you can get back to executing your orders. Oh, that's on DOS Trader. All right. Here. Yeah. One last thing I'll do. All right. Good morning, everybody. So the UK raised rates aggressively overnight here, overnight there, just a few hours ago. And, the market's been falling since. And then this morning we had housing starts and building permits come in underneath what they thought it would be, which means the real estate market is slowing down considerably. I mean, it was a 25%. It was roughly, let's see, like a 20% adjustment from forecast. Okay, maybe 10%. But that's a pretty big surprise. I mean, got to be delusional again to not know that was coming. So anyway, that's also spooked the market, and so the market may be dropping today further. Maybe, you never know here. You never know. But that's what we're looking at as far as like why the market is doing whatever it's doing today, and also of course yesterday with the Fed rate hikes were very aggressive. And oil, interestingly, has dropped to 100. It dipped even into the 110 area about an hour ago. It's now at 112, pressing into 113. But oil correcting a little bit, and energy following. Rest of the market all down, including staples. Gold up for the last 2 hours, from about 1820 to about 1830, 35. So not huge, but it's something. You can see it. It seems to be reactionary, not ordinary trading. Bitcoin keeps pressing into the 20,000 area. So crypto markets continue to stay bearish as well. And rates are starting to move up again. They're at 3.42%. Yesterday's high was 3.48. So they could pop up and over yesterday's high today. And if so, that would be an entry signal on 10 years. So TMV. TMV, the 20 years are even more extreme. The TMV is already up and over. So I'm going to get in that right now, since you can buy those ETFs 24 hours on Thinkorswim. End it. Didn't get filled. So we should have, so. Oh, okay, I see why. Not paying up enough by a cent. Okay, there we go. Just got that. All right, homie's in 20 year now. 30, I think it's 20 year TMV. Fingers crossed on that. All right, we're watching Momentum Movers Red Box. AERC popped from 18 to 21 and looks to test 24 today. SIDU failing out right now. SIDU's failing out. I've got a free ride going on that, up over 100%. CMRA popped from about 3.5 to 5.4 in pre-market and has pulled back to about $4 right now, testing $4. ACOR, we're watching that puppy. CLVS could move today. HSCS move. ADN seems to be on the hottest run right now. There it goes. Broke another high just now. 321, 322. ADN. And then OPTN could possibly continue to make waves today. So ADN, the hottest thing under the sun right now. Let me take a look at the volume and the frequency of trading on that. Oh, it just looks gorgeous. Just gorgeous. Holding the 20 on the 1 minute. Holding even the 6 on the 1 minute. Just kidding, just kidding. What'd you say? The Vianessa, you mean the other way, right? What's the deal with Redbox? It's memeing out. It's just meme movement. You know, Redbox is an acquisition target, probably not worth more than $2. It doesn't matter, you know. Just well, now it's, you know, they're gonna, whoever wants to buy it has to pay up, has to pay the piper, but you know, it's memeing out, and that's an official term, yeah. Have not got I don't think I've gotten a single fill on my Tesla exits. All right, in here. Oh, I forgot to set that for pre-market. ADN with a little pullback here. That's going to help build up some momentum. All right. It's not like that. I mean, come on. That was after the market bottomed and Tesla bottomed and it was on its way up. That looks terrible. I mean, if we're breaking pre-market lows, yeah. And by the way, my exits on Tesla are like 10% exits, 5% exits. But I mean, don't ever be like that. I want to definitely upgrade your trading mind. Don't ever be like that. Every single decision in trading is able to be overridden. Okay, you're in control. Don't let the rules control you. Okay, you already sold. Perfect. Good. All right. Good. All right. All right. And then I want to get over here. Interesting. Which ones are going to move today? We're watching Redbox. Seems to be very nicely setting up. And then this one, ADN. That's the first cut through the 20 moving average on ADN. That's a pivot breakdown. And first sign of weakness on ADN right now. Meanwhile, AERC seems to be jumping out of the little base it formed there, but it pulled back from that little bit of a fake out, but that's okay. It's just going to create a new, hopefully tighter base on base. We've got 23 seconds to the open. Jesus, that time just flew by so fast. All right. Now I can probably remove those Tesla orders and just let things happen in the open market. Automatically cancel. They are set to EXT only. No, good to cancel. Okay. Well, I'll take them if I get them. Right, something just sold. Okay. All right. I'll take it. My commodities are way the F up. That's happening here, but okay. Some of the splits. Market. I know. Wow, Tesla making a move up. Rather interesting. A strong move up. I'm getting some fills on that. God, you just can't kill Tesla, huh? You just can't. No matter how hard you try. Okay, and I have another order set. Wait for that to fill manually. In the meantime, Redbox went crazy there, I think. ADN is going to try and re-break 322. I believe that might result in a little bit of a fake out if it doesn't rest and reform some base here. ADN. Okay, looks like Tesla's turning down now, and the market wants to follow. Tesla's been leading the market since about an hour or two before the Fed rate hike, and then for the last 2 hours of the market yesterday. I also got that TMV in pre-market. Chris, I mean, it's good analysis, but you should only buy on a green day, and ideally a green day that breaks over a red day. If I could get you to just that minimum, never enter long trades unless they were those, at least at the minimum, that criteria, that would be very good for your health. All right, there goes Tesla to the downside. So now I'm going to get rid of the rest of what I've got. ADN starting to come up. Oh, it has formed that tightened entry right there. 310 is a good entry with a stop at 2.9, 20 cents a risk. Enter ADN for the day trade. And I have puts on the market at the moment. If it follows through, great. If it doesn't, I'll cut it. I'll bugger out. But, that seems to be the weather, the direction today. Yeah, ADN did break. Woo! Look at that. Who got it? Did you get that 310 sheet? All right, it's already pulling back, but it hit 343, and now it's pulling back pretty hard, but you've got padding now. Remember what I've told you? Only hold a position if it's profitable. Well, you're at a profit now if you got in at 310, and you've got padding back to even break even, and it needs to breathe a little bit. But the timing was fucking perfect. So don't chicken out too much right now, because your capital's at work now. Your capital's at work, and you're up, and you're playing with house money. And if it gets back near break even, then yes, exit completely. Until then, allow the house money to do its thing. Okay. All right. Okio and Optin. What's up? Let me see. Do I need to cut? I know I'm in those in another account. I think those could be rides. Let me see. Optin. Yeah, I want to exit Optin here. And the XTM is up even more today. I'm up almost 100% in that now. But yeah, I'm getting out of OPTN. That's in my free ride department. But I'm not giving back those gains. Sorry, just not going to do it. The Tesla opening 5-minute range, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, has kind of spoken to the downside. Barely. Really hasn't had a strong break in either direction. Mike got in at 305. Very nice. So see what I mean? Now you're letting the house money play for you, because now it's potentially about to re-break at 343. Now, a stock between $3 and $5, you want to be taking profits underneath every 10-cent level. But you can size that differently. You know, if it's looking really hot, you can get out 1%, 2%, 3%, 5%. Speak of the devil, there you go. Now you need to exit at break even. Do not lose money. Do not let a profitable trade turn into a loss. Here's your exit. Okay, everybody get out nice and safe and clean. And that's trading, my friends. That's just how it goes. You'd be like, damn, I could have got so much profit up there. You're playing with house money. Shut up. I see. This market really, really tough right now. And was tough yesterday. Really tough right now. By indicating downward, grinding downward. But things are giving bounce signals here and there. It looks like the strongest drops coming from financials. XLF, that's just by a visual guess. No, discretionaries, well, from the open, I would go with financials puts for at least the morning session. Oil coming down. I would say that ADN is not looking good from here. So no more good, nothing good to come on ADN, I don't think. Clover. Clever leaves holding. What are my thoughts on it? Shit. What are your thoughts on it? Poop. What are your thoughts on it? The fuck are you talking about? I want to ask someone what their thoughts are on a piece of shit. Well, dude, Neptune, just send me a private message or click the link in my bio. Let's get started. The breakdown low on the Qs will be 273.30. 73.30. So around 273, the shit really hits the fan. First thing I hear. Yeah, SIDU is starting to pop. Watch SIDU for a break over 8.5. That would be good. 8.5 needs to reclaim that level. ADN with just bad sign. I don't think anyone's really going to want to trade that anymore. It's going to be a rough ride, even if they do. Certainly, if you're underwater on it, you should get out at break even if you ever get presented with the possibility. SIDU is halted. All right, Neptune. Let's see, where are you? Did you send me a private message somewhere? If you click the link and head over to my trading group, send me a private message there. Let me know. Oh, Persian Allah Faraz is trading over in the live trader lounge, guys. I'll pull that up here. Let's see. Oh, mother fricker. How come I can't see his screen? Oh, watch stream. There we go. The market's trying to rally right now, and it may. Bouncing off of prior low support. No leader alerts today for swings, not yet. Anyway. We're down 6%. I know you follow Ford a lot, Camille. It doesn't move a lot. I don't know, what you're doing with it, but okay. BNR just barely broke yesterday's high. Now has a massive bid sitting at yesterday's high. Yeah, I believe I am in BNR. Let me go check on that. BNR, I'm up 4%, yeah, on that position. TXTM now up 112%. That for a free ride. Look at that. Damn. A hop, skip, and a jump. That's what you want. Gap skipping. Tesla's just gone sideways. Whoa, SIDU's out of the halt and running, you guys. SIDU, SIDU. Went opened up at 8, just hit 875. God damn. Did I pick a day to put myself in trading jail? Market is hot. One of their EVs is now at negative profit. Oh man. Well, I mean that's all right though. You know, a loss leader is a business strategy to gain market share. If it brings more people in to the dealerships, you know, into the Ford product lines, it can be a good thing. You know, McDonald's French fries. We're like, huh? Chris knows what I'm talking about. Entrepreneurs know what I'm talking about. McDonald's French fries. Oh God, CDU's now halting to the downside at 765. This is going to give you financial whiplash. See what I told you? Now I'm going to say, oh, I'm so glad that I put myself in day trading jail. I talked about it earlier, Camille. Because yesterday I had like 15 stocks I went after, and like 11 of them lost and 4 of them won. And it was just, you know, too much on the loss side. It's a total of close to negative 5R. So I'm going to spend the next few days reviewing those trades and make sure it doesn't happen again. I got to figure out, you know, what behavior I had or what mental, you know, process or what trading strategy wasn't working, what rules I wasn't thinking about, etc. I mean, I got to do my post-analysis, trade analysis on that. Same. Yeah, same here, Chris. It was a difficult day yesterday. 3 out of 10. I mean, although that, you know, can be fine. That can be what's to be expected. But I had the same, you know, the same. But the problem was small wins, big losses. Well, you know, relatively speaking. Minus almost 5R is certainly no disaster for most people. They do a lot worse. But for me, that's a disaster. Like that is just, you must like look under the hood. There's something completely, you know, got messed up yesterday. And so yeah, yesterday was just, wow. Look at Tesla now breaking down in the market following. Market was acting like it wasn't going to be a problem. Wow, that's a cool screensaver for Oz. Probably. Somebody asks if they can make $100 here. Probably. But I think I can serve you better than that. You know, I'd like to spend a couple months with you, get you to the point where you're making thousands. Because what's the fucking point? I mean, you can go sell lemonade or mow lawns for that. You know. ACOR is moving up. All right, let's see. Oh yeah, ACOR getting really hot, guys. The 0.7 break is going to be wow, potentially a breakout. ACOR, ACOR. If you listen to Turtle, nobody listens to Turtle. Hey, Kelly, how are you? All right. So, at the moment, the market is testing the bottom again, especially on growth. But I am seeing staples bounce hard. Staples are acting strong. So rotation to safety going on. And that's probably going to be sell off in growth, coming from a growth. Growth to value is sort of the rotations going on right now. Growth to value. So value up, growth down. Today, we're seeing those signs. And gold is holding strong. Defensives are definitely happening today. Consumer staples, utilities, but staples are the strongest. And here comes the breakdown on the Qs. 273.90, 273.90. There was the breakdown, just about to break new low of the day, and then at 273.38, that is the all-time low. For the last year of the market, year and a half of the market. So we are 50 cents away on the Qs of breaking the market breaking down, the growth market breaking down. Yeah, BNR, I'm up about 5% now, Chris. It's doing its thing. 273.80 on the Qs. That's a new low of the day. So downward trend. SIDU, watching SIDU. Yeah, we're watching SIDU, Mike. Yeah, we're watching SIDU. Rebecca, one of the girls in here, or one of the traders in here, says that they turned $500 into $5,000 or more just by watching my live tips on YouTube for months, just seeing what I could do with day trades. That's interesting. Did you keep like a notebook, Rebecca? Somebody says cap. And Rebecca says, absolutely. Yeah, that's what I like to do too. Whenever I'm learning from different traders, I'll keep a category of which trader. Well, what I'll do is I'll put the trader name and then like their initials in a legend. And then I have categories of rules. So sell rules, take profit rules, holding rules, entry rules, adding on rules, scaling out rules, and every trader has a different rule, and I'll put those in those categories, but I'll put the initials next to them. And eventually, you get yourself a list with hundreds of great rules to think about, things to consider, given every scenario. Wrote down every entry because I wasn't in the group yet. Oh, that's cool. Rebecca's a fantastic trader. All right, cool. Rebecca, I haven't really seen you trade, or I don't know too much about it. It sounds like you and RJ should get together. Not really saying anything here, but maybe you and RJ should get together. RJ's maybe a good guy. Yeah. He hasn't walked into an HEB before, so I don't know. But no HEB vibes, so you guys are momentum buddies. So Jesus, that sounds like something bunnies do. Anyway, matchmaker here. When we have our summit in Fiji, you'll have 3 days to have some off time. North Carolina, buddy. Oh, that's cool. Oh, and yeah, Chris is also in North Carolina, and I think Brandon, isn't he? I think in North Carolina. Chris, Rebecca, anybody remember if Brandon, I think, is in North Carolina? Well, Paper Engine on Steam, wallpaper on Steam is pretty cool. Yeah, it's pretty fucking cool. Yeah. How did he read my comment before I was typing it? Because I'm watching you live. Look at that. That's such a cool screensaver. Whoa. Oh man, that is so hot. Science is so hot, man. Used to live in Charlotte. Oh, he's in Alabama. You're right. He's in Alabama. That's true. Raleigh, North Carolina. Raleigh. Raleigh. How do you pronounce that? Raleigh. 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 How do you guys pronounce that in North Carolina? Hey, Jack. Good morning, buddy. I haven't seen you for a while. Coming at a good time. You know, the Fed made their announcement, and there may be something, coming in the next, an entry in the next few days. Let's see. Yesterday was a wild day. Okay, Rebecca, there. Now you can unmute. Let me hear. How do you pronounce Raleigh? This thing.
Riley.
Oh, Raleigh.
Raleigh.
Raleigh or Raleigh?
Raleigh.
Wow, that's crazy. I would have never thought.
North Carolina.
Raleigh, North Carolina, folks.
Yeah, Raleigh, North Carolina.
All right, cool. Oh, there's the mute button. Okay, good. Oh, Faraz is fucking loud. Had to mute him. I like what he does. I like what he stands for, but I gotta put him on mute. All right, the market, Tesla forming that Atlas pattern to the downside. Get your fucking ass down there, QQ. Where's all this noise coming from? Oh, how come I thought I just muted it? I guess it doesn't mute. Just talking. Have him on mute. Oh, is that coming from Rebecca? Nope. This shit just doesn't work. Raleigh. What did I say? Raleigh? Now I can't even remember the right. I can't even remember how to pronounce it now. Oh, well, that's all right. All right, the market's still continuing down. Let's double check everything I've got here across the board. Okay, looking good on everything. I mean, I should probably call it a day on SIDU. I mean, with the penny stock trade, the multi-day penny stock trade. And oh, wow, I actually got a fill at 875 and, 875 on SIDU because I had the ladder already set up. Yeah, top looks good as a IPO. My fellow wallpaper engine user, best way to flex your PC is so powerful. You can run an animated wallpaper engine in the background. Yeah. I can read your trade chart. Okay. Or do you mean I can't read it? That's okay. Just click the link in my bio then and come into my group in order to see better. How do I hide this little trade members? Oh, there we go. That's perfect. Oh, God, now I got it just perfect there. Look at that. Because now I can see the penny stocks. I mean the momentum stocks. Wow, it looks like everything's failing out as far as momentum goes. Redbox certainly looking terrible now. That didn't end up coming to fruition. So rates are holding flat, gold's holding flat, growth going down, consumer staples going up, everything else going down. Obviously, growth includes XLC, communications, XLY, consumer discretionary, XLK, tech, QQQ, and then individual names, which are probably each performing worse in their own respect. Certainly Tesla, not looking too good. So on that note, I'm going to see you guys in the group. It's been excellent trading with you this morning. Let's see if we can turn this day into something beautiful. See you in the group, guys. And for those of you out there who are new, we do this every morning. Live stream every morning, trading all day, 24/7. We're a trading group. If you like what you see, come check out our trading group. Click the link in my bio or the link somewhere, wherever you are, and join up and hang out. And we'll get you to a good point, we hope. Fingers crossed, we'll help you learn how to trade for several months, and hopefully that'll get you to the point where maybe you can make your first trade. All right. Stay safe. Bye-bye now. Stay safe, my friends. Stay safe, Kelly.